Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be taking a look at some of this last week's trade ideas. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be taking a look at some of this last week's trade ideas. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 305 indicators, and out of those 305 indicators, 121 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 121 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, so today we will be looking at some of this last week's trade ideas. So typically here on the channel, we are testing indicators. And then once a week, we have also been testing different trading strategies that I find on YouTube, YouTube videos of strategies that claim to be profitable strategies, and then we test them and see if they hold up to the claims in the video. And then on the rest of the week, we're testing indicators to try to figure out and build a list of the best indicators that we could possibly find. And then later on, we'll refine that list even further and use those indicators to build trading strategies. We have a Discord server that we use to have a lot of group discussions. And on that Discord server, we have a Patreon only channel. So if you are part of the Patreon, then we have a channel on there, a Patreon only channel. And on that channel, the members as well as the admins, Rob and Jay, are posting regular trade ideas throughout the week. They're having more in-depth, detailed discussions about trading systems and trading philosophies and so on. Really a wealth of information, far beyond what you can get from just the regular server itself. And so, what we do is once a week, I've been going back and just taking a look at some of the ideas and stuff that we have going on in the Patreon only channel. So that way, those of you who may be thinking about joining the Patreon, you can get kind of a sneak peek into what we're doing there. So, let's take a look here at this one to start with. So this is Rob. This is one of our admins. Like I said, as well as Jay, who is also an admin there. And Rob here gets on and, like I said, on a regular basis, posts different trade analysis and so on. And you can see that in this particular case, he said that this was a long, 4-hour long here on the USD versus Japanese yen, and he said that he got in a little bit early and cut it, and that it was looking a lot better now at the point where he took this screenshot. And you can see here he did a lot of analysis on the chart analysis, drawing up all kinds of stuff, indicators and so on. And if we take a look here, this is the USD versus the Japanese yen on the 4-hour chart. Right here is right about when the screenshot was taken that Rob posted. You can see this really big bar right here. That really big bar is this really big bar right here. And you can see that this did make a rather nice move. It made a nice move right here. Had a decent little retracement back here, but nothing too drastic, and then did continue up to the long side rather nicely. That's about a 65 pip move right there that is still running at this point. So really, really nice trade idea that Rob threw out there. And again, the Patreon only channel is full of these, not just Rob, not just Jay, but we have multiple other members who are also on a regular basis posting trade analysis and trade ideas and philosophies and stuff like that, all really working as a team to really help build each other's knowledge and really help each other excel in trading. And so it is a wonderful place to be if you are a struggling trader, or if you just want to be people of a general mindset like you. If you feel like you're a really decent trader and you want to be a part of a group who, kind of has the same mindset, and you want to, mingle and, throw out trade ideas, bounce trade ideas off of each other, then by all means, this is definitely the place to be. So whether you're a very beginning trader who's just trying to figure out where to go and where to get your bearings, all the way up to advanced traders who know exactly what you're doing. It is a wonderful environment to be in. We are wonderfully positive, no negativity, no tearing each other down, nothing but good vibes and boosting each other up. And so another member in the channel actually posted some of his results this week. And so right now I'm going to throw a screenshot up here. I believe that this was the USD versus the Canadian dollar. This was a sell order that the member took, and it was a profit of $343 on a relatively small account. Really, really decent return on that account right there. And then we also have another screenshot here, the where the member had taken a couple of Great Britain pound versus USD sell orders, and you can see that the total profit off that one was $224. And so again, a really, really nice growth, over $500 in just 1 week. And if you see here, I'm going to also post a screenshot where the member specifically called out and said, if you look right there at the green arrow, you can see where the member said, thank you, sir. Thanks to this channel 100%. And that's where he had commented. One Sasquatch had said, great job on the screenshot that he had posted there. And like he said, he attributed it to being a part of this channel. And so again, we really work hard, me and the admins, to make sure that we're creating a wonderful, positive, growing environment for everybody. I did block out this member's name who posted the screenshots and posted that, just for the sake of their privacy, so that way they don't get bombarded with a bunch of spam private messages, which I'm sure would probably happen. Not saying any of you out there right now listening would do that, but there might be some people out there who might see this and decide to just bombard them with spam private messages, really bothering the member there. And so if the member feels like sharing more, then absolutely, that is up to them. But I'm not going to put them on blast. So anyways, the point is that it's a wonderful environment. If you are, like I said, a new trader or an experienced trader or in between, this is a great place to be. Patreon only channel on our Discord server. I highly recommend that that you join and come be a part of the inside team here, the group that are kind of inside the bigger group. So all right, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here so that way it doesn't get too long, and we'll pick up tomorrow testing another indicator. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.